Silverado. Take a look at it. Unique, specialty, and classics. 1998 Chevy C2500 Silverado. Extended cab long box. 454 power underneath the hood. There'd be a 454 Vortec. Paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Looks like it has a newer compressor on it. Go ahead and take a look at the grille. Chrome in the front bumper. Odometer reads a little over 100,000 miles on it. We'll check that out when we get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. But first, if you want to check out the still pictures, see the underside, interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. One thing I will mention is on the roof, you can see in the still pictures, had some hail once upon a time on this one, so I wouldn't be surprised, obviously, if it had some repair, repaint to it. Paint does show its age just a little bit, but this was originally a Nebraska truck and Iowa truck, so 2 states. See, it was titled in from previous titles, and if you take a look down these lower rockers, you can see it still has the original factory, kind of a little trim or a little protective piece they put on it behind the wheel wells. There's always another one right back here behind the cab corner on the box. That's all there. Appears to be original cab corners. So gives you an idea of the condition of the lower rockers and everything on this. Would be emerald green metallic paint. Light autumn wood for the lower. And as you can see, interior is nice shape in this one. Carpeting, cloth seats, dash. Check all that out in the still pictures. Over probably around 100 pictures of this truck or so online. Then take a look. You can see how straight it is too. And above the wheel wells, lots of times where you'll see them bubbling, starting to rot. And again back here, you can see that original little plastic protective coating. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the rear bumper. Also nice shape, and as you can see, trailing package back here. Bed liner already installed for you. And let's take a look up and down the driver's side again. Coating here. One thing you can also see, a lot of tread left in the tires. How about above and below these wheel wells? Lower rockers up to the cab corner. And again, the protective coating. Now there was a little, see here, it's been scratched right there, and I have that in the still pictures too. So take a good look through those still pictures. And once again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Phone number 507-386-1726. As far as interior, now it is a Silverado, so we're going to have a nicely equipped truck here. Get that key out 1 second. So you are going to have power locks, power mirrors, power windows, of course driver's side, power seat. Here is the front 60/40 split bench seat. Here's your exact miles, just a tad over 100, 103,231. We'll go ahead and fire it up too. AC does blow cold, if I didn't mention that earlier. It does have a newer compressor on it. And we're going to look underneath the hood here in a second too. Take a look at the dash. No warning indicators, anything like that. Just the daytime running lamp, light, and then of course I don't have my seatbelt on. Gauge is all working. Wipers work. We do have an AM/FM cassette player with CD. Fire this up a second. Radio working order. Top of the dash, everything good shape. Not weather checked, cracked, anything like that. There'll be still pictures underneath the floor mats too, so you can see what kind of shape the carpeting is in. That's a nice shape. Seats are free of rips, tears, holes. Headliner also intact, good condition. Slip around the back so you hear it run. Doesn't sound like there's any major modifications. As far as exhaust, engine, anything like that. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second and we'll check out underneath the hood, wrap up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right. Hood liner, all intact also. Here's that 454. What, 7.4 liter, I believe. And Vortec, of course. Power steering, power brakes, AC. I went through all of that. Yeah, there you go. 7.4 liter right there. See that? Nice, clean, and tidy. Not a lot of corrosion. As you can see, lots of times you're going to see that when they're in the northern climates. But I think this one spent a lot of time in Nebraska. All right. 1998 Chevrolet Silverado. Extended cab long box. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.